Well, here we are at my 1994 Astrovan. Looks pretty good. A few dents here and there. A little weight reduction there. Take a peek inside the hood. Prop rod. Plenty of room to work on. That looks pretty good. Not bad. I'll probably have that changed. Engine oil. Engine oil fill. I guess she's not a twisty. That was the engine oil stick. The steering looks a little low. Was making quite the squealing when I heard it run. Look at that proportion valve. Crusty. The cylinder doesn't look too bad. But the brakes are spongy. I know that because it did drive here. Where is the oil dipstick? I don't know. Oh, look at the thermostat in there. That's not too bad. Never worked on one of these vans before. Transmission looks okay-ish. Gotta get me one of them. Oh, windshield washer motor looks easy to fix. Alright, let's look on the inside. Well, here we are in all its beauty. A little crack in the windshield. We'll pretend we didn't see that. Beautiful lush carpeting. Look, an umbrella rack. Yes, that's right. You got a spot to put your umbrellas in. Captain seats. Look, a cover over the armrest. When do you see that in that kind of condition? We're gonna third seat delete this, that's for sure. Get around to the captain's side. Another umbrella. Oh, this is not fun to get into. Jensen. $150,456 miles. Starts right up. radio works. Oil pressure's holding. Got no gas. Temperature gauge. I like gauges. Registration. Be funny if the title was in here. We'll look for that later. Look at this beauty. Muffler definitely sounds like it's got a screw loose. Cobalt X. I have no idea what that is. Interior lamps. It's a beauty. I wonder if the AC works. Oh, I wonder if the heat works. I'll leave that on hot. Heater. I have no idea what that's supposed to be coming out of. Definitely not coming from here. Blend? Well, that's actuating, so that works. Leave it on blend for right now. Let's go check out the back. Look at these window shades. Rope lighting. That can't work. Speakers. Spare parts. Optional. Unlock. Lock. Oh yeah, lots of spare parts. That'll go good in the shed. Astra EXT. Ooh, an ashtray. Custom cup holders. This looks like a custom made van, boy. Oh, 1 out of 2 is not bad. Look at this beauty. I tell you, boy.